Alright, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to join Google Meet meetings. So you can see it on my phone right here. This is it right here. So in case you don't have this application, just go to your Play Store. So for you, go to Play Store and search for Google Meet. So I'll search for Google Meet right here. Google Meet. So once you search for this, you can see the application here. So just make sure you download it on your phone. So this is it right here. I have mine already, so just make sure you download it on your phone. So once you are done downloading the application, then you go to your WhatsApp or wherever they sent the link to you and click on that link. So let me click on the link to the meeting. So once you come here, this is the Google Meet link right here. So I'll just click on the link right away. So over here they will ask you to select the email you want to log in with, the email you want to access the meeting with. So I'll just choose one of my email. Can you see? So this will load up for you. So you have two features here. One is for you to mute or unmute your microphone, and while the other one is for you to mute or unmute your camera. Do you understand? Is that the word? Review your face, or if you want to hide your face, that is what the second one is for. So once you are done with that, then you click on join. So this is the join right here. Hope you are seeing this, guys. So this is just how you get to join Google Meet meetings. You can also get to unmute your mic here by clicking on this microphone down here, or you can review your camera by clicking on this icon down here. And if you want to ask questions, probably you want your moderator to notice that you have a question, you can click on this palm emoji right here, and with these three dots right here is where you get to like send message in the meeting. So let me click on it. You can see we have in-call messages. So right here you can get to chat with other people that are in the meeting. Hi coach. I guess you can see that. So everyone in the meeting will get to like see this message right away, including whoever is anchoring the meeting. So that's just basically how you get to like join Google Meet meetings with link. So I believe you got value, and if you did, please like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.